Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Parameters of Development. Nowadays, various measures have been taken to know the economic development of an economy, because with the change in the economic development, there is a major changes in the distribution of income pattern, attitude of the people, output, composition of output, poverty level, etc. In the olden days, they are using the national income to measure the economic development of a country, but nowadays several measures has been used to indicate the economic development. The main indicators of economic development are classified into two categories. First one is income based and the second one is quality of life. In the past years, they are using only income based, but now they are using quality of life as a main indicator of the economic development, because it includes the physical quality of life index, basic need index, and the human development index. What is human development index? Human development index is an index which is measured to know the economic development of a country, as it includes the life expectancy of the people, political freedom, their human rights, gender equality, etc. UNDP is the first who used human development index to measure the indicator of economic development for the first time in 1990. Since then, UNDP has been publishing the HDR report every year, that is Human Development Report. It is a new approach to the economic development, and the basic proportion of the new approach is the development of the nation should be measured not only in the national income but also with the various aspects of human development. Now we will read first. Human Development Index devised by the United Nations Development Programme, an agency of the United Nations. UNDP prepared the Human Development Index for the first time in 1990 in its first Human Development Report. UNDP ने 1990 में फर्स्ट टाइम ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स कैलकुलेट किया था और उसकी रिपोर्ट निकाली थी, एंड आफ्टर दैट UNDP हैज़ बीन पब्लिशिंग ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट एवरी ईयर. This Human Development Report have called for a new approach to economic development. एक नया approach था economic development को measure करने के लिए, because they feel that national income does not give the complete picture of economic development. जो national income से हम measure करते थे हमारी economy कितनी develop हो रही है, वो एक complete picture show नहीं कर पाता था, as had long been the practice, but also by various other aspects of human development such as life expectancy, literacy, political freedom, human rights, gender equality, etc. has to be taken into account. Therefore, Human Development Index is more popular nowadays to measure the economic development of a society. To sum up the main proposition or the concept of human development, the first one, human development views people and the quality of their life as a center of development. Human development हम कर रहे हैं तो हम लोगों के views, उनकी quality of life को measure कर रहे हैं. Human development is the end of all activities, while economic growth is only a means to this end. हम लोग जब national income से measure कर रहे थे तो वो एक सिर्फ economic growth के बारे में बता रहा था. But when we are studying the indicator of economic development with reference to human development, it is a very positive sign because it is the end for all the activities. Human development is the end for all the activities. The third one, the purpose of economic development is to widen all choices. जब हम economic development की बात कर रहे हैं, we will not talk only about the increase in the national income. We are talking about the widen all the areas, all the sectors of the societies. And if we measure the Human Development Index to know the economic development, this is a more comprehensive picture as compared to measure the economic development with national income. Fourth one, human development is concerned with widening not merely income choices but covering all aspects of human development. Economic, social, cultural or political human development embraces the entire society, not just the economy. ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट पूरी सोसाइटी जब हम मेजर कर रहे हैं, वी आर टेकिंग इनटू अकाउंट ईच एंड एवरी थिंग ऑफ द सोसाइटी, देयर इकोनॉमिक, देयर सोशल, देयर कल्चर्स, एवरीथिंग. सिर्फ इकोनॉमी को नहीं ले रहे हम. फिफ्थ वन, ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इज़ यूनिवर्सल इन नेचर. इट अप्लाइज इक्वली टू लेस डेवलप्ड एज वेल एज हाईली डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़. ये सभी नेशंस के लिए है, चाहे वो डेवलप कंट्री है चाहे वो लेस डेवलप कंट्री है. इट मीन्स ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पिक्चर शो करता है इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट की, जो नेशनल इनकम से मेजर नहीं हो पा रही थी. नाउ फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स दे हैड इंक्लूडेड 3 points. First, a long and a healthy life. Second, to acquire knowledge. Third, to have a decent standard of living. Now we are going to learn in detail about these 3 points. First one, a long and a healthy life. Long and healthy life means their life expectancy. It means the number of years a newborn infant is expected to live. एक न्यूबॉर्न कितने ईयर्स तक वो सर्वाइव करेगा. सेकेंड, द एबिलिटी टू एक्वायर नॉलेज. इट मीन्स इट हाउ मच एजुकेशन द वन इज रिसीविंग. एंड इट इंक्लूड्स 2 variables. First one, mean year of schooling, that is average number of year of school education received by the people aged 25 and above. वो कितने ईयर स्कूल गए हैं, दैट इज़ एवरेज नंबर ऑफ स्कूलिंग. सेकेंड, एक्सपेक्टेड ईयर ऑफ स्कूलिंग, नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स ऑफ स्कूलिंग दैट अ चाइल्ड ऑफ अ स्कूल एंट्रेंस एज कैन एक्सपेक्ट टू रिसीव. उसको उसकी एक्सपेक्टेड ईयर क्या होनी चाहिए स्कूलिंग की एंट्रेंस एज के अकॉर्डिंग. थर्ड पॉइंट, अ डिसेंट स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग. उसकी स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग को मेजर करने के लिए वी हैव यूज द GDP, दैट इज़ ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट per capita adjusted for purchasing power parity in terms of US dollars. उसको हमने US डॉलर्स में मेजर किया है उसकी परचेजिंग पावर पैरिटी निकालने के लिए, बिकॉज इट इंक्लूड्स ईच एंड एवरी थिंग, दैट इज़ द क्वालिटी ऑफ द लाइफ, द लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी एंड द knowledge. I hope it is clear about the HDI. Thank you, students.